Welcome back to the channel. The topic that we're doing today is third angle projection. In the previous video, we would have looked at isometric projection. You would recall in that video that isometric projection is a method to represent an object in 3D, in a 3D view, right? Today's video, we'll be using the isometric projection to represent the 3D view of the given object, and we'll be using third angle projection to produce 2D views of the object. Now, we want to be your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we need your help to grow the channel by subscribing and liking this particular video. All right, so we're going to move on to the topic now, and the topic, as I said, is third angle projection. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you at the end of the video. On the screen is the isometric block that is drawn in isometric projection, and we are going to draw this block in third angle projection. All right, here we have the object, and we have labeled the different views, that the different directions that we will be looking on the object, right? So in the first instance, we'll be looking in the direction of the arrow labeled A. Then we're looking in the direction of B, looking down where the arrow is labeled B. And then C, we're looking in this direction, in the direction labeled C. And the fourth view that we'll be looking at is taken from looking at in the direction of arrow D. Now, if you want, you can get a piece of paper and sketch what the view would look like for the four views. The four views that you would see looking from the direction A, B, C, and D. You could sketch them. So you could pause the video, sketch it, and then you come back to compare my answers, okay? So looking at the object, you will be seeing from A, the front view, from B, the top view, from C, the side view, and from D, another side view looking from the other side, okay? Now, the view looking in the direction of A, in third angle projection, that view, in the previous slide, we said it was called the front view. The actual name is the front elevation. Then looking in the direction of B, the top view, the correct name in third angle projection is the plan. And the correct view looking in the direction of the arrow C, where we had side view, the correct name in third angle projection is end elevation. So too, looking from the direction of the arrow labeled D, the side view is called the end elevation. Okay, the first view that you would see looking from the arrow in the direction of the arrow labeled A would be this view labeled the front elevation. All right, looking in the direction of the arrow B, we'll see the top view, and the top view would look like this. And the top view, as we said in the previous slide, is called the plan. Here we have the end elevation looking in the direction of the arrow labeled C, and it was a side view, but as we said in the third angle projection, it is called the end elevation. Looking in the direction of the arrow labeled D, we have the end elevation on the other side, right? So in the previous slide, we called it the end view, but when we're drawing the third angle projection drawing, the side view is called the end elevation, right? Now here, you will see a hidden detail line. A hidden detail line represents a hidden edge. So looking from the direction of the arrow labeled D, when you look here behind where the surface that you're seeing, you'll see a hidden line behind the first surface of the object, okay? So that is why this line is in a hidden detail. After you have gotten the different views correctly drawn, what we're going to do now is set them out in the required requirements that are needed for the third angle projection. So the front elevation, everything will be central around the front elevation. So you'll have the front elevation, then the plan at the top, and the two end elevations to the right and left of the front elevation. Here we have the two-dimensional views of the object which was represented in isometric projection. So here we have the front elevation looking in the direction of A. Then we have the plan which would be above, right? And then we have the end elevation looking in the direction of C. Then we have the end elevation looking in the direction of D, right? So this is how you would represent the three-dimensional view that was given in isometric projection in two-dimensional views. And the views that you would have first is the front elevation, then the plan, then the end elevation looking from C, and then the end elevation looking from D. Now, here we have the completed third angle projection drawing of the question which was given earlier in today's video. So I've removed the labels A, B, C, and D because I might have told you is that I labeled the views A, B, and C to help you to move from the 3D drawing to the 2D drawing. So when you're finished drawing your first angle projection drawing, it should not have those labels, as I said before, labeled A, B, C, and D. This is what the finished drawing would look like. Good? All right, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that the views that you sketched early on in the video was resembling mine. Good job if it was. Um, in the next video, we'll be looking at sectioning, right? So looking forward to joining you in the next video and take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.